Our graduates have a wide array of opportunities. You can literally write your own ticket. I always tell my students that there are very few industries that will ever go out of business. They're self-sustaining, and two of those industries are welding and HVAC. Welding is always going to be in demand because there are bridges that still need to be built. There are dealerships that are still hiring for fabrication and manufacturing. They can work in residential, commercial, industrial. We have shipbuilding, again, automotive building. We have aeronautics. We have any industry that you can think of, there is a welding component. A lot of our students don't have many other options, and the fact that they made the commitment to choose to come here and to stick out this year program, I feel it a sense of duty to be committed to them. To see them come from where they came from and to now be successful entrepreneurs and working in the industry as well as being instructors here, giving back to the students that are coming behind them to be the next generation of technicians in the industry, to me is amazing. I'm here because I genuinely care about my students and their success.